said Jehovah of hosts, if open not to you the windows of the heavens, and pour you out a blessings till there be not place for it. Amen. Ishmas Jai. Will a man rob God, but ye rob me? And ye say, wherein do we rob the tithes and heavy offerings? This own nation, bringing the whole tithe in the treasure house, that